Yawn. Oops, did that make you yawn too? Caught ya. It's not just because you're sleepy, super spark scientist. It's because yawns are super sneaky and contagious. But here's the real twist. It usually only works if you actually like the person yawning. Yup. So if you yawned just now, we're probably best friends already. Let's dive into the science of yawning and why it spreads faster than a cold at a birthday party. Before we talk about why yawns travel like invisible boomerangs, let's figure out what a yawn is. A yawn is a big, slow breath you take through your mouth that stretches your jaw, fills your lungs, and ends with an exhale. It's your body's version of hitting the reset button. Think of it like your brain saying, "Hey, let's freshen up in here." Some scientists believe yawning helps cool down your brain. Yeah, your brain gets hot when it's working hard, like a laptop running a video game. So when you yawn, all that air whooshes in and chills things out. It's like opening a window in your head. Ah, breezy brain. But why does it spread? Here's where it gets wild. Contagious yawning only seems to happen in humans and a few animals like chimpanzees, dogs, and even some birds. And here's the twist. You're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you feel close to. So if your bestie yawns, you'll probably do it too. But if a total stranger yawns across the street, meh, not so much. It all starts in a part of your brain called the mirror neuron system. These brain cells are like copycats. When you see someone do something, your mirror neurons say, "Hey, let's do that too." So when you see your friend yawn, your brain starts warming up its own yawn machine. If you like them or feel close to them, those mirror neurons are extra active. If not, they might just snooze through the whole thing. According to scientists, yawning shows empathy. Yup, scientists think contagious yawning is linked to empathy. That's your superpower to understand and care about how someone else is feeling. People with higher empathy scores are more likely to yawn when others do. So if you yawn a lot while watching your family yawn, congrats. You're basically a kindness ninja. In one study, people watched videos of others yawning. Guess who made them yawn the most? Family members, then friends, then acquaintances, and finally strangers who barely made them twitch. So your yawns know who you love. It's like your brain is saying, "Oh, you're tired. Me too, buddy." It's not just people. Dogs yawn when their owners do. Birds sometimes mimic yawns. Even lions yawn when their pride does. It might be their way of syncing up the group, like saying, "All right, gang, stretch it out, nap time soon." One big happy yawning family. Did you know some people almost never catch yawns? People with certain brain differences or lower empathy levels might not find yawns contagious at all. That doesn't mean they're mean. Their brains just don't flip the yawn switch the same way. Brains are all unique, like snowflakes or pizza toppings. So what about babies? Do they yawn too? Babies yawn a lot, but not because we do. Their mirror neurons haven't gotten the memo yet. Scientists think contagious yawning starts around age 4 or 5, when kids really begin understanding other people's feelings. So if your baby sibling yawns back at you, they're probably just too busy wondering why broccoli exists. Can you resist a yawn? Let's test it right now. Think about someone yawning. Picture it. A big, slow jaw stretch, eyes squinting. And did you just yawn again? If you did, don't worry. You're not weak. You're wonderfully empathetic. Trying not to yawn is like holding in a giggle in a quiet library. Almost impossible. Myth busting. Time. Are yawns just about sleep? Nope. We yawn for all sorts of reasons. Sometimes when we're sleepy, but also when we're bored, nervous, or even excited. Athletes yawn before a big race. Actors before going on stage, and even skydivers before jumping out of a plane. It's like the body saying, all right, get ready for action. Stretching your face, filling your lungs, and loosening up your jaw feels amazing. It helps wake up sleepy muscles and gives your brain a breath of fresh air. Plus, it gives your body a nice little reboot. Yawns are like brain snacks. Want to hear something funny? Scientists still argue about why yawning exists. Some say it's for cooling the brain. Others say it helps us bond socially. Some think it started way back in our caveman days to tell the group, hey, I'm tired, let's all rest. It could be all of these. Yawns are still a bit mysterious, which makes them even more awesome. Well, that wraps up our big yawny mystery. If you made it this far without yawning even once, are you even human? For the rest of us, it just means we're loving, caring, wonderfully wired beings who like to share a good stretch. Don't forget to check out more brain-tickling videos on Super Spark Science like Why Can't You Sneeze with Your Eyes Open? Or The Strange Reason You Hiccup. Until next time, keep yawning, but only if it's with people you love.